AWS is a cloud service provider. As individually, I can take AWS cloud account. I'm an individual person, I can take AWS cloud account. Organization, for example, Savantis is an organization taken a account as a enterprise level, organizational level, they taken an account. So both are customers for AWS. Okay. So I'm using a Office 365. So this is Office 365. And I got this account from Savantis. Savantis taken Office 365 account. I'm using Office 365 account because of Savantis is taken. For example, I want my personal Office 365 for myself. I want to take Office 365 account. I can take it. Okay. So depends upon service. It may be the name same or organization is same or service is same. It's a different type of clients or a customer kind of stuff. Okay. For example, yeah, that's enough. So you are already token installed. So okay. So I have taken a service organizational level or a individual level services can be taken. So ticket already I told what is a ticket. The ticket is about it will defines what kind of issue or a request or it can be related to a parliament like that. Okay. Different type of tickets like instant ticket, alert ticket, and service request ticket. Whatever it is comes to come up to the service desk, the ticket will be created. In ticket, it will be defined about it. The ticket is a kind of document only. It contains information about the user information, user location, user organization, and what is the user node, and what are the technical observations, what are the steps you have to follow to solve the issues, or what are the steps taken to solve the issues. Okay, so ticket is resolved or not resolved, or any pendings are there. So everything is defined in the ticket. Sometimes a ticket is for either for an incident or maybe a service request related. Sometimes it is a combination of multiple incident as a single column related ticket. Okay, so that's leave it again. We can come back to that incident and volumes again. Okay. So here I told guys, service providers provide a service to the customers. Customer need information or they want to do a certain query or they need a service support is required or maybe they need a change of services. Okay, so they will try to reach the service provider. So the service providers service desk. Service desk is, we cannot say service desk is a one place or a one kind of a person. Service desk is it's just a name with a, it can be a software. So it can, service desk can be a software. Service desk can be a group of people or a team of people. Experts are people with a different technical knowledge backgrounds. Okay. So whatsoever it is, they approach to the service desk. So what they will get it, so they'll take information, support. So service desk support, customer needs, solve the customer issues, escalating that required issues and all. So finally, customer get a issue. So yesterday I said I will give you one example. Yeah, mobile phone example. You know, olden days we have a featured phones, mainly Nokia mobile phone. Of course, now people are giving some kind of videos that is Nokia phone is cannot be breakable. If you throw it on from top floor, or if you put it on under a railways, okay, nothing it is. It's broke. It will broke. a little strong, but still it is broke. Okay, so not it is also very sensitive, guys. So don't worry. So I have seen that. Okay, so Nokia mobile phones are there, right? Why people are purchasing Nokia mobile phone that time? So that time Samsung is there, Motorola is there, and Nokia is also there in the market. But if you want to buy a new mobile phone, so you ask someone like, I want to buy a new phone. So immediately they will tell Nokia 1600 or 2600, 1100 or 3210, something. Then they will tell a number. And they will tell Nokia, take Nokia, don't go to any other things. The reason is, of course, good battery backup is compared to other things. Good battery backup is there. Okay, once you charge the phone, then you will get at least 2 days of charging. Backup is there. Okay, so it will a very light user, 2 to 3 days. So normal user, regular user, it is continuous calls at least 1 day. Morning you disconnect till night, you will charge is there. Okay, at least somewhat charge is there. Okay, so some other qualities, build qualities and all compared to good, but still why Nokia is, when Nokia is there, so every city has a official Nokia service center. Nokia service center is there. Even Nokia people come to the villages, towns, weekly once they visit, they will do service. Even a roadside cell point guy can able to do the cell phone service. Means people who learn the cell phone technologies, okay, how to repair cell phone kind of stuff, okay, so they can able to do the service. Means either a company service or maybe a roadside service. This is what happened to you guys. Why you are giving personal messages? You don't like it, put it in a group message or wait, or I will just tell in this one. Don't send personal message, unnecessary waste of time. Mhm. You joined late, it is okay. I'm not telling you. So I'm just
प्रगति गवळी present.
one more person is joined. So we'll see once we finish the story. Okay. So we have a support from Nokia and support either any of the support we are getting. So people are prefer. Not only sales quality, cost, and other kind of stuff, guys. In India, mainly we are looking after. When I purchase a Lenovo mobile phone, smartphone, people when they see look, oh, very good Lenovo, it is size is also good, feature wise it is good, so like that. But everybody is asking one thing, is Lenovo providing a after sales services or not? So they wanted to target me like, so this is not providing services. So if you buy a Lenovo, no one will give you service kind of stuff. No problem. I use it for more than 2 years. So it's okay. I mean, people are not using any mobile for more than 1 year. So I got 2 years of service. Even it is having some issues and also we manage and done. After 2 years, it is we keep it aside, then it is damaged. Okay. Recently I heard this thing from last 3 4 years. That is electrical bikes are came into market. So electrical bikes that companies are not providing any services. Otherwise, people like to take electrical bikes. Not only charging related challenges, also this after sales services are big challenge. And people still believe like current petrol related scooters or bikes. Any person normally is after sales, the company service is available. and anywhere you can go, like you take a bike from Honda, any Honda showroom, like you move to the other city, so that city also having Honda showroom, and you can go to Honda service centers, then you can get a service. Any urgent services also required, then also roadside bike repairing candidate also can give you a basic service. Okay, point is what we want, what customer is required, whether it is an organizational level or individual user. So they need a support. So when we are organization, we're providing a service to the customer, and we must provide a support from either from the same company or maybe from the third party company. So that we should provide a product support or issues related support we have to provide technical support. So customer, whenever they got a problem or maybe they require anything, so they can easily communicate and resolve their issues. Important is customer should get a service always. Okay. So that's the point of importance of our service desk, guys. Different ways to approach the service desk is also I explained. That is, people can go directly to the service desk. Means physically service desk people are there, so we can go for them, or through the telephone support or mobile support or voice or IP kind of calling support is there. Email support, we should get it like through emails or to telephone or mobile applications. Service desk related applications are there. Help self-help portals, apps, websites, service desk software, all are same only. Okay, these are the things. These service desk not only handling customer kind of stuff, guys. Understand, you are providing a service. Just it is a normal terminology, means neutral terminology we are using. If you are using a specific terminology, for example, you are maintaining infrastructure. Maybe you are a cloud service provider, or maybe a application deployer, or maybe a web support related, means you are running a web services. Okay, you have your own infrastructure. Okay, as a service desk person or as a monitoring related, you have to monitor your infrastructure, knowing about what is going on with your infrastructure. For example, this server is providing certain service. For example, this particular server providing a service is going on. Server is running, service is running. Okay. If server is down, then service is down. So it is incident, impact on the customers, impact on the service, impact on the customers also. So what you should know, there is an issue is occur. How you will get it? Through the monitoring software. So through monitoring, so the monitoring software, what it will do, it monitors the status of every device in the organization. Means entire your infrastructure, your servers, routers, switches. Okay, this everything is monitor their status situations, like they will monitor and kept the details, logs, maintaining logs and stuff. Any unusual things is happen, like a server is too much busy, 80%, 90% server utilization is happen. Our server is down, our disk is high utilization, our disk is down, network is down. So immediately it triggers a ticket. It send a ticket to the service desk. Service desk people get that information through the monitoring tools. An electric ticket is received. Immediately they will try to take an action. Immediately they'll try to do an action. Okay. So this is about our service desk, guys. Service desk is simply a single point of contact to meet the communication needs of both user and IT employees. User means is a client or a customer. IT employees means the people who are working on that organization, service provider organization in that particular project. Okay. So what are the service desk will do? So it will provide a support to the customers, understand customer requirements or issues, provide information to the customer. If customer is required some information, we should provide. Escalate that customer issues. Okay. Ticket management, like whenever a customer is required some information or maybe some change of services or maybe reporting an issue, so you have to create a ticket and the ticket has to be handled by someone, so either raising the ticket or handling the ticket, monitoring the ticket status. This ticket is assigned to someone, ticket is open by the person. This ticket is what is the follow-up of ticket. Once issue is resolved, then ticket closing is important. And taking a survey is also one of the thing, means how the customer is satisfied with your approach. That is kind of service people take it. Satisfy both customer needs and IT provider objectives. Okay. So understand and managing of these events, alerts from monitoring tools, incident problems, changes, change of services, service request kind of stuff. Monitoring, monitoring your infrastructure to make sure that everything is running fine. Any unusual things are happen, like a higher threshold limits are crossed, or maybe error is occurred. So we will get to know what is going on. Okay. So understanding and maintaining SLAs is a one of the. So what is a service desk analysis will do? Already these things are done by service desk analyst. Where I have taken.
Hello, sir. Sorry to disturb you.
About
Sir, Shivansh Tripathi is present, sir. Actually, due to some network error, I haven't joined it. Okay, thank you, sir.
resume also there. Welcome.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me, tell me.
Hello. Excuse me, sir. Pradyuman this side.
Yeah, tell me this.
Yes, sir. Sir, I was in the class yesterday also. Maybe I was not there for the attendance time, but I was in the class whole time.
Uh,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any of these people, Manish Kumar, Priyanka, and that's it. Okay. Okay, so different support levels, artist OLA, SLA, UC. I explained everything yesterday, just refreshing your mind. Okay, so today,
Hello, sir.
actually, tell me.
What was the? Can you please scroll up? There was one line: service desk manager and handling ticket management issues.
Yeah,
Somewhat,
this one.
somewhat scroll up, sir. What? Yeah, yeah. What was?
I will tell. I will tell. Good question. Actually, you are in a service desk. Okay, you are a service desk analyst person, and there is another service desk analyst person. Okay, for example, your team is supporting a client. Okay, some client ABC you are supporting. Your entire team is meant for supporting particular client. With this particular technical knowledge you have, okay, you must have a specific kind of technical knowledge. Means maybe it is a networking related or a software related. So that client, what kind of service we are providing from our organization, that related technical knowledge these people must have. Next, this is how the team is there. Okay. Generally, we are generalizing the service desk with a desktop and network level only, but depends upon the client, what kind of service we are providing. That related service and support related, the service related support knowledge, these people must have. Okay, everyone is a service desk analyst. I think you watched video. That is, the guy is supporting AWS and SAP. Okay, I think Naresh is giving that. Okay, Naresh video it is. He's providing both the things. He's doing both the things. It's not doing the desktop level or network level. Like, so he has his own knowledge on it. Okay, he's also service desk analyst. Okay. So this thing. Now, when issues are occur, so this client person in the client will approach to the service desk. Where is the service desk? These are people, not a service desk, right? So they will approach, they will put it on a, as the you see in the demo, that is Freshworks, means Fresh Services name is earlier, now Freshworks. Okay, so there is a customer portal. So in that one, so they will give a complaint. So this is my name, this is my this one, the issues related, they will post it. Okay, either it is based on the issue, person who is available, it is assigned to the individual user to whom you are free now. So which one, which person, which service desk analyst is available. So it will assign, depends upon that issue and it depends upon the availability of the service desk analyst. Or all these issues will be located in the software, right? All the issues are queue in the software. So there is service desk manager. Service desk manager, either it is a person or can be a software. Okay, so service desk manager is there, is a person is there. So he will understand what kind of issues we are getting, who is the experts in that particular service desk, that kind of issues, who handle the these kind of issues. He will assign manually to each and every person. Okay. So people who are available currently are who are expert in this particular kind of issues. So you will assign as a person. Or service desk managing softwares are there. It will assign automatically. Tickets will be assigned to the service desk analyst automatically by based on their profile and as well as based on their availability, next availability. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So this is actually to understand what is service desk analyst kind of stuff. Is the best thing line. That's why I kept it here. Even earlier I don't know this one. So recently, when I discussed with one of our sir, Sai Prasad sir, okay, so he raised this thing. Okay, his discussion will give you a lot of knowledge. If you are with your friends, for example, in your college with your friends, you discuss with some movies, you will get knowledge on movies. You discuss about sports, you discuss about some technical kind of stuff, or you discuss about a project, discuss about something you learn in the classroom. obviously you will improve your knowledge and very good level of understanding you will get it. Okay, at least one side or other side you will get some knowledge. Same thing, very simple idea it is, guys. I shared this idea to so many batches. I don't know, HCL people don't do it generally. Okay, there are always busy people. And when I was with Cognizant, usually I will force people to do that. Your all people are there, people who are regularly attending. You are some are highly, they can easily grasp knowledge. Okay, some are very slow. Some are may not attend. Some are good but not able to express. So whatsoever it is, guys, you are in the same group, in same WhatsApp group. Create a one simple team Google Meet link kind of stuff. Google Meet is very easy to create, right? Simply have to go to Google Meet. Where is that meet? Meet. Okay. Go to meeting. So create a new meeting and it will generate a meeting link, share with others. Everybody join there. When you have a time, afternoon you have a time, Saturdays, Sundays you have a time. So meet everybody there. Start discussion. So start discussion. English only. Even other people know how to speak in Hindi, but better is always English because so you will get habituated. Maybe some people are a little lag in English, some are very good in English. So both will get corrected. Both will be in the come into same platform. Start speaking in English. Take one topic. Take 2 hours time. One topic, only networking topic. Discuss about all the points in networking. Keep telling, keep telling. One guy will ask a question, other guy will give an answer. One guy is a question, answers. Keep telling about it. You know, it is very easy to revise and as well as a practice if you do a group discussion. Try at least once. Then you will know what is the power of it. Okay. Second one is seconds. So start doing that one. Okay, so 1 hour completed or 2 hours completed, networking is completed. Next, take a break 1 hour or maybe next half day, next day. Start one topic, basic hardware. Okay, basic. This is a service desk is important, right? So take a service desk, basic hardware, cloud computing, different things, different knowledges, different ideas. Sometimes a guy is telling an answer, you know, I don't know what is mistakes I would do in the classroom, right? When I'm telling about something, what is my grammatical mistakes, mother tongue influences, okay, sentence construction wise. Sometimes it is confuses other people, but not to me. Okay, I don't know what is my fault. But when you are doing in a group, so what happened? Others will find your fault. They'll try to correct you. So India is a very good country. So we never expect our mistakes. We can know others' mistakes. We'll understand. We will easily grab others' mistake. If you do mistake, it says you don't know. But whenever you see others, we'll find their mistakes. We'll try to tell their mistakes. Well, okay. So like that, you can correct it. Yes, this is the mistake. So you can tell like this. This your answer is confusing. Tell in a simple words. Simply how to tell an answer. So that will give you a good thing, guys. You try at least today or tomorrow. So start doing, take one topic every time. So like a 2 hours, keep complete 2 hours for that one. Dedicate technically, communication wise also it will improve. You know what is meant by communication and what is meant by interview. Very simple. Interview ask a question, you tell an answer. That's it. Simple answer, step by step answer, and easy. We can easy outspoken person. How much very good words you are using in very difficult words you are using, that is not does not matter. It is simply how you are telling about some things. Okay, so that's the point what I'm trying to say, guys. I hope understand you guys. Okay. Some are very
Yes,
good,
sir.
okay? But sharing and caring is always improves your technical. Even I do that one. So we don't, me and other Madhu sir and Sai Prasad sir. Okay. So we open discuss any topic. So then we will, some are seniors, some are may not be senior. I'm a junior. Okay, there are seniors. Even they will listen to me. So sometimes they will give some other ideas. I will do some other kind of stuff. Okay. If you build like that, guys, so definitely can learn anything very easily. Time pass. Originally, today is meant to discuss about a few things. That is, what is an event? What is an alert? What is an incident? Okay, this kind of stuff. But I will tell one lightly about one by one. We'll try. There is a terminologies and service desk operations thing is there. Events, alerts, incidents, workaround, problem, change, service request. These are the compulsory people must know who are working in a infrastructure management mainly. Okay. Events, alerts, incidents, workaround, problem, change, and service request. I kept one service access management, which is also sub part of this service request. So one by one line definition first I will tell, then we can go through other parts. So here it is. What is an event? Any detectable occurrence that has a significant for a IT infrastructure management. Any detectable occurrence. For example, I connected a pen drive. My system is detected. So what it will shows a notification, a new device is attached or a new USB device is attached. Okay, it detects, right? And it will log. You know, when you see a Windows logs, I told you last time, in the log, a device is attached. For example, you have a partition and you create a partition. New partition is created. The log will be created. New partition is created. Okay, so you're trying to open an application and you don't have a permission to open an application. So authentication failure to open an application. You're updating your system, but it is unable to do that one. So it will log that one. So like that, what is an event? Anything is any detectable occurrence that has a significance. Compulsory, there must be a significant for that. Okay, I move my mouse from like this. I type on the screen. That is not a significant change. Okay, a significant change means you install an application, you uninstall an application, try to open an application. Application opens successfully or fail to open successfully. Your disk is full. Your disk is full. A new partition is created. A new format is done. Okay, or maybe a partition is deleted. Disk is added. Disk is removed. Okay, OS related services turn on, services off. Okay, like unable to transfer. Easily to tell, guys. You transfer money. You transfer some money, like a transaction successful, right? You go to phone pay and you pay amount with the phone pay, transaction successful. If in case a transaction is not done properly, it's transaction failure. You will get a transaction ID for a successful or a failed transaction, also transaction ID. Okay, So transaction successful or transaction failure kind of stuff. Both are events only. Okay. So insufficient funds, that is also event only. Okay. Any detectable occurrence that has a significant for a IT infrastructure management. Alert. A warning that threshold has been reached, something has changed, or failure has occurred. A threshold that a warning that the threshold has been reached, something has changed, or a failure has occurred. A warning that has threshold has been reached. For example, your hard disk is full. Hard disk is full. It is threshold has been reached. It is telling your hard disk is almost full. Please delete any unnecessary data or transfer the data from your hard disk device to any external hard disk. Like that, right? So it is a warning is generated. A threshold has been reached. Then a warning will be reached. Okay, 90% of CPU utilization, 80% of RAM utilization. These are all threshold. Okay. An error is can be occur. It will generate an alert. So device connection failure. Device is disconnected. Internet is down. How you know internet is down? You will get some symbol. Internet is down. Right? A globe symbol with a small cross mark on it. So you can understand internet is gone. Or it will notify internet is gone. When you are watching a YouTube video, so some internet is gone. So what it will show? Back offline, right? You'll get a notification that is you back offline, back online. Internet is came. Guys, alerts are just like notifications. Any failure is occur, any changes happen, a new device is attached. The changes happen. A warning or a threshold has been reached. Since a warning is generated, immediate notification we are sending. That is alerts. What is an incident? What is a incident? Unplanned interruption to an IT service called a incident. An unplanned interruption to the IT service called incident. What is unplanned interruption? Suddenly internet is
So
gone.
like server failure.
Very good. Very good. So you are trying to log in or you are trying to access server failure. Service is down. Server is down. Internet down. Okay, it's an unplanned interruption. You don't know what will happen. So all of the sudden it will happen. You cannot able to change that one. Okay, so suddenly like you are going to office, so bike puncture. Okay, it is also an incident. Unplanned interruption. What is planned? Planned downtime. Unplanned downtime. What is planned? For example, I'm doing some work. For example, you know, Cisco is trying to update their services. See, this is the thing, new thing is came. So when I log into the Cisco sites, um, um, free online classes, the site is got updated. So 1 week before when I check in, it is planned downtime. They are maintaining planned downtime. Old one only. This is not nothing free inside. Not. Okay. So yeah, another one is skills for all. This is also Cisco related. You can learn networking, Python, JavaScript essentials, so operating system like a hardware operating system. Yeah, you can see, guys, this is the what I'm trying to say. Scheduled maintenance skills for all will be unavailable due to the scheduled maintenance on 22nd April 3:30 p.m. through the 1:30 a.m. 23rd. They're giving PTD time scale kind of stuff. Okay. So UTC, this is UTC time limit is given. Means 22 to 23, it is not available from. Okay. So they are going for scheduled maintenance. What is this? Planned downtime. So they are now, they are telling from this time to this time, service is not available. Okay. Service is not available. Okay. Planned downtime, unplanned downtime. For example, server is good, running good, everybody is getting. So all of the sudden service is down. All of the sudden server is down. Okay, that is a unplanned interruption to the IT services called an incident. Okay, workaround. When any incident is occur, you have to overcome the issue immediately. Why? Because one server is down, the several users get affected. That is a IT service is affected. IT service affected means the people who are using that service will get affected. So what it is, overcome the issue immediately. Either it is a temporary or permanent solution. Okay, workaround. Okay. Yes, I will tell two words, that is downtime. I said no, unplanned downtime, planned downtime, like this. Downtime, uptime, 100% uptime we should maintain, or 99.9% uptime, 99% uptime, 97.8% uptime. Like this, people will tell now, my services are 99.9% uptime. We are there. Okay. So what is meant by uptime means, for example, morning 10 o'clock, I started my laptop. My laptop is running from that time to till now it is 11:28. Means 1.5 hour, almost 1 hour 28 minutes, my laptop uptime. As long as it is continuously running, that is, it is an uptime. In percentage wise, different, guys. Percentage wise, it is different. In 24 hours to 1 year, so 365 days of calculation. So they will calculate in different ways. 365 days wise means that's the difference. Okay. For example, 1 o'clock. Okay. My server is down at 1 o'clock. Server is down. Okay. So then what happened? The service is not available. It's a downtime, server downtime. It started, and I repaired it at 2 o'clock. Okay, I done all the troubleshooting. From 2 o'clock, it can able to provide a service. means the period of between this time means when it is down, when it is up. This period we can call it as a downtime. 1 hour downtime, 15 minutes downtime per day, or maybe today 1 hour downtime. Maybe after 4 o'clock, again it is down, but 4:15 it is up. Again 15 minutes. So totally today 1 hour 15 minutes total downtime per today. But at present it is only 15 minutes down. Again it is uptime from here. Okay, there's so many different calculations. Means 24 hours total uptime, total downtime. 365 days total uptime, total downtime percentage calculation. That is also there, guys. But understand down means service unavailable duration. Okay, also comes. So we have to reduce. Why I'm telling this entire story is you must reduce this downtime. Must reduce the downtime. Why? So if you reduce the downtime, uptime increases. So service availability increases. Client won't give you some backfiring kind of stuff. Service quality improves kind of stuff. Okay. So work around temporary way to overcome the unknown root cause of one or more incidents, guys. These incidents are unplanned interruptions. Many interruption is occurs. Any interruption is occur. So we do workaround. That is simply to understand, guys. Any issue is occur, it is incident only. Incident is an unplanned interruption. Any incident is occur, we do workaround. We try to fix it and make sure it is done. You got several kind of incidents. You have to group that incidents, find out the root cause, and try to solve permanently these incidents, which is we occurred already. Okay, so we got incidents, we understand, we troubleshoot. Now it is working fine. But I am getting these incidents again and again, or maybe a multiple incidents we are getting based on one single cause. Find out what is the root cause of that incident and try to resolve it. So issues will be solved permanently. So you won't get incidents again. Okay. It is two ways to understand, guys. One is to solve an issue, we don't do problem management. We do incident management. But these kind of incidents may occur again. Incidents can be occur again, or maybe it is keep occurring. And you have seen the server is down again. It is not again. It is not working. What to do? Okay. So what we will do? So we plan properly. Find out what is the root cause of these issues. Do necessary action. Do certain changes if required. In problem. So we have to consider that thing is a problem. So if you do problem management, these incidents will be reduced, or maybe issues will be prevented, not won't get or reduced. So that's we can say. Okay. So incident, when issue is occur, it is incident. To prevent an incident should not be happen again. To do certain things, so then the incident won't occur, or maybe it should not occur again. We do problem management. Okay. Change management, standard changes. For example, you want to change the RAM, you want to upgrade your server, or you want to upgrade your network capacity, or you want to replace a firewall. We do changes. Okay, that comes under change management. Based on the client requirement, also we do changes. So client required change of services or a upgradation of his services. Like I am getting 50 Mbps internet speed. I want 100 Mbps. Okay, so then what I will do, I ask for a change. Service request. Service request from a user for user based request. It is maybe for information or advice or standard changes, or maybe it is they will ask for access to IT services like a printer access, server access, remote machine access like that. Maybe a virtual machine is required like that. So they will can able to do so a service request. Okay, these are the overview of these things, guys. Events, alert, incident, workaround, problem, change, and service request. Here I try to explain each and everything with the full names kind of stuff. Now I will explain up to here. No. That's enough. Okay, this one I will explain after a small break, guys. Okay, so directly everything I will explain. This much part is available. Okay, just a bigger one up to here in a one single shot. I will explain in one part. Okay.
Hello, sir. This side Pankaj Rawat. Mark me present, sir.
What is your name? What is your name?
Pankaj Rawat. Pankaj Rawat.
Pankaj Rawat. Okay.
Yes, sir. 16.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, guys, take a break.